in the hotel. So now we finally, my husband said, all right, okay, this gift set, thank you, my love ko. So here, they have the gift set, and one tray. That's all in set. That's it. Smell good, and I like the naturally smell of the raspberry blossom cream. Wow. And we have the blossom lotion, and we have the body wash. So you can use that when you do showering. So that's how it look like. It smells so good. Like really natural smell. So that's how it look like, guys. That's beautiful. And the hand cream is all natural product, I reckon. So first time I get that from the hotel when we booked in, and it was so good smell. So okay, my husband and my brother-in-law said, okay, we just get like that. What is that? And it smells so good. And there, I shared to you. Now, it's not sponsored by them, guys. Just sponsored by our pockets. Cheers. I'm really grateful for this. So I can't wait to use this in body wash. I spoiled my husband for that as well, body wash, and me for the lotion. You can use lotion too, why not? And then the cream, there. That's it, guys. That's the unboxing, I guess, because I'm going to go somewhere else. First, I'm going to get some quick lunch, and then I'll go somewhere. Oh, actually, got some tab here. I'll show you. The tray. The tray. So that's how it look like all together here. All this thing to get, I think. And then this one, the tray. It's nice where you can stand in the nice toilet or toiletries. Anything. Beautiful. Thank you, guys. Thank you, YouTube. Oh yeah, it was like this when we come in. Okay. That's really, really lovely. I like it. There. That's nice. There you go. Oh, thank you, Lord, for this blessing. I always love it. There. How amazing that looks. Isn't it nice? Anyway, guys, since there is not much people here, I have to go because I really have to go somewhere else as well. So that's how it look like. Really, really good. Okay. Now I can't wait to use this one. Wow. Alright. Cheers, guys, and happy long weekends, Australia. Thank you, and Aussie, 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 oi, 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 Aussie, Aussie, oi, 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 woo! Enjoy your day, guys, and don't drink so much because tomorrow I'll start working again. Cheers, bye. See ya. I'm gonna put it back now here. Easy for me to handle there. Like magnetized only. Awesome. Happy long weekends, Australia Day, and Aussie, Aussie, oi, 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 Aussie, Aussie, oi, oi, oi. I am so happy and so proud that this is my second home. Actually, like really my first home. Together with my sweetheart. Thank you, baby ko. And thank you, Lord Jesus Christ and Father in heaven, for this wonderful opportunity. And to all people in Australia, really owe you guys. And God bless us all. Over and out, guys, and happy that I'm live today. See ya very soon. Bye. Can't get too close to camera. Cheers. I'm gonna go. So before I say out, I'm gonna get this out. Really like Really quick food, I guess.